Why did I get kicked out? Buddy's name. Okay. Brr, 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 brr. What's up? Watch the bear. How's it going? Wait. I think I have that sound somewhere. I don't know if I do. Get to know the pet's name. You have been given a predefined event handler function called on here. Use the pet on event type event handler method to assign on here as the event handler for here events. Good grief. What's your name, buddy? What's you name? What? Who talks like that? What do you mean, what's you name? We need to know the name of our new pet. Use this function as a handler for the here events. Okay, so so pet on here. Okay. What's the It must be after pet. First of all, can we fix this? Just say, what's your name? That's killing me. What's your name, buddy? Could you repeat it? Oh. On spawn. Oh, it's on here. Okay. Oh my gosh. On here is the event, because that's the function. Whew. Assign on here function. Alright, we got it now. We're fixing this. There you go. What's your name, buddy? Meow, meow, woof, woof. Why is this bird talking like a cat and a dog at the same time? Like, what is this bird on? Come out to meow, meow, woof, woof. Oh, we got a cougar. Okay.